Let me ask you a question. Do you know anyone who would like to get an instant pay raise starting with their very next paycheck? I know. You're saying, wouldn't everyone like to do that? Well, let me tell you how MWR Financial is helping people all over the country get an instant pay raise on their very next paycheck. Did you know 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck? An overwhelming amount of Americans are stressed out due to the boatload of debt that they are under. And did you also know that 90 million Americans have credit scores under 650, meaning they pay far too much money for the money that they borrow? Over 70% of Americans are paying too much in taxes. And I know those statistics make you want to be sure that you're not one of them. Well, what about this? Even after 40 years, 70% of Americans have less than $5,000 saved in retirement. The greatest retirement crisis in American history is happening right now. Well, folks, is there an answer? Absolutely. A champion has arisen, and that champion is MWR Financial. Make wealth real. And that is exactly what our company is doing, making wealth real in people's lives. Let's talk about credit repair. What about increasing your credit score 50 to 150 points, being served by a 28-year-old company with an outstanding Better Business Bureau rating that does the work for you? That can be the solution to your credit problems. Let's talk about Charles from North Carolina. He became a believer when his score went from 760 to over 800 in just 2 months. And Amber, man, she was super fired up about the instant pay raise of over $500 on a check at her job. And now she is telling others how to do the same. What if there was a way for you to get out of debt in 1/3 of the time, including your mortgage, saving hundreds and thousands of dollars in interest, saving money on taxes, and building wealth in vehicles that have previously only been reserved for the rich? The time is now, my friends, and the program is a small, affordable membership called Financial Edge, and it's a proven, predictable way to help you get on track financially, and it can even be free to you. Remember this, it's not what you make, is what you keep. To find out more about MWR Financial, please contact Brian K. Bailey at 443-429-0638. Again, that's 443-429-0638. Or visit our website at www.getfinancialedge.com/BPS. Again, www.getfinancialedge.com/BPS.